as far as I can remember, was in the summers I would go do, it started at 17, I went to the second season of the Stephenville Festival, and that's how it started. And I was stage managing and taking dance and doing that kind of thing. Yeah. I never had any aspirations to be on the stage. The idea of being on the stage terrifies me to this day. If I think about you're going to get up on a stage in front of people, that's terrifying. Really? But I was stage managing, and that was terrifying enough because I was stage managing like great people that Maxim was bringing over from England and stuff who knew how things were done, and like I was learning, you know, how to create a book and call a show. And also at the Stephenville Festival I ran lights and I did sound. They would get the students, right, to fill in and do stuff. So I was learning how to splice the tape and do sound cues, and I was learning how to use a follow spot and do some lights and that kind of thing, and I was stage managing. Yeah. And then one night they had a party. We used to stay in those old barracks at the Stephenville Festival. They had the old army barracks. Yeah. And one night we were having a big party, and I was in there with the Smith brothers, Ray and Paul Smith, and they were great singers. And I could always sing my whole life. I was in choirs as a child and stuff, and I loved singing. But again, no aspirations to perform. Wanted to be a scientist, truly, I think. And so I went into the bathroom and started harmonizing. Could always harmonize. My father could always harmonize. And I went into the bathroom and started singing, and with Ray and Paul, and they were such good singers. And we were singing something, I don't remember what, harmonizing. And Maxim Mazumdar came in the bathroom and he said, what, you know, like he burst in. He was so dramatic. And he burst in and said something like, who the hell's singing, or who's that, or what's that? He always treated me with a great deal of disdain, which was lovely. And when he saw it was me, he just couldn't believe it. And then he said, you're on my next show. And I said, oh, no, I'm not. And the next show was Godspell, and I ended up doing it. And the next show after that was Jacques Brel, and we ended up touring it in here to sing.